Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is first day of fall already. Summer's over. Can't believe it's already gone. But we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Oh, we got a surprise. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer. Not sure who this is coming from. We're going to find out. Here we go. And Christmas is about, what, 95 days? I do believe. Got 95 days left. Santa Claus will be checking the Amazon wish list. You might want to add this to it. And we got here. Ooh. Axloie. Got them out of there. Oh, there it goes. Well, dusty. Ooh, nice little earbuds. Kind of look like alien stuff. Kind of like there. Got the blue lights there. Axloie. Hopefully I said that right. This is nice packaging though. Magic. Oh boy. Got some magic time coming up. Let's hear this magic. Magic ninja. Alright, here we go. Magic ninja. Listen to your ICP tracks. Your little annex, whatever that dude's name is. I don't understand this new music you guys got out these days, but oh boy. Very interesting stuff. That is for sure. But I like Tupac, Bone Thugs, Biggie, Big Pun, Eazy-E, NWA, all that good stuff. Rock and roll, Rage Against the Machine. Oh, come on, baby. Alright. Alright. These will be extra good stocking stuffer to give somebody. Your gym partner, your coach, your trainer. And oh, a fumble. Get in there. Oh, these look nice though. We got some manuals. No magic here. Alright. Oh, what is this? There's where the magic starts. Alright. This is the magic right here. This little guy. I see the magic. Sometimes it's good to wear gloves, sometimes it's not. Right. There we go. Cheerio. Boom. This is the magic right here. It takes place inside this thing. USB. Oh, come on. Oh, this is sweet. You can charge it. This is a nice little charging case. And here's the little guy. Here's one of them. You guys can see it. Got the blue right there. Got these guys. Left side. Here's the right side. The best side. And these are nicely made. Alright, now we just pop them in here. Oh, whoa. Oh, this is cool. I made some magic. You guys could too. Alright. These are in there, right? A little dusty. I think it's for my gloves. There we go. See, it's charging. That is cool. Really nice. Lightweight. Definitely take it on the road with you. Like I said, even the gym or your walks. Definitely. Look at that. Really cool. What other goodies they got inside this box? That's it for that one. That's it. This must be the USB charger Maybe extra air tips. Oh, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Nice little travel pouch. It's like a leather almost. It ain't no Gucci gang, but it is leather. Some kind of leather. Leather. Pretty cool. Just boom. And boom. Look how easy that is. And we're going to do the sound in a second. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got the tablet I brought down. And now we're going to hook it up to it. I'm just going to let it charge for a few seconds. But I think it should be good right now. And now, on somewhere in the middle is the where you turn it on and where it could connect to the Wi-Fi or your Bluetooth. Sorry about that. Delete the magic Bluetooth records on your phone. Only turn on one of the earphones. So one of these earphones you just turn on. That's it. That's all you gotta do. An earphone can be connected to two different devices. Okay. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and search Magic-L, Magic left, or Magic R to connect. So whenever one you grab and you touch it, turn it on, that's one's gonna pop up in your search. Turn your iPads or your tablets Bluetooth and connect. Okay, we did it. Voice prompt, power on, pairing connected, left channel, right channel. Second device connected, power off. Status, prompt when turned on, enter into pairing mode. Mono earphone is connected to your phone, left channel, right channel. Two earphones are connected, power off. Alright, so pretty simple. We all should know how to hook these up. Really easy. Indicator light flashes slowly, disconnected. Flashes alternately, connecting to your phone. Flashes once every 5 seconds, dead battery, or it's about to die. Factory reset. Place the earphones in the charging case. Triple tap on the touch interface. The indicator light will flash twice and go out for 1 second when reset. After resetting, it is necessary to repair the earphones to your phone. Alright. So pretty much Bluetooth version is 5.0. Waterproof is IPX5. Operating range is 10 meters. Battery capacity is 50 mAh. Battery capacity is going to be 3000 mAh. Working time is 3 hours. Charging time of earphones 1 hour. So that's not bad. Charging time of case 3 to 4 hours. Whoa. So not bad at all. Alright. Now at the Bluetooth, I'm gonna put you guys on pause. Actually, I can probably do it from here. Grab one of these guys. Oh yeah, she's flashing. Now I'm going to turn on my Bluetooth. There we go. Magic R. Just got to put it in your ear. Hello? Alright. Alright. She is connected. Now you just grab this one. This is cool. Yeah, they feel good in your earlobe too, so not too heavy, not too pokety, smooth. No. Alright. Oops. Alright, cool. Alright, we got it. Now I'm going to go on YouTube and get his song really quick. Oh, shoot. I don't have YouTube downloaded on this tablet. Dang it. Let's type in Bone Thugs really fast. Come on. B-O-N. Alright, B-O. Alright, hold on one second. Alrighty, YouTubers, I got them in my ear. Sounding good so far. It has really good bass. Here we go. Listen to this song right now. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, it's definitely sensitive too. Yeah, right. There's the touchpad's right here. You can pause it and then play it, and then connect. Easy connection. Have no issues so far with the sound. Sounds amazing. Yeah, these sound really nice. Clear. Good bass. Yeah, YouTubers, definitely check these guys out. These are really nice earbuds. I call them earbuds, earphones. But coming from these guys. And I'll leave the links down below. You guys could add it to your wish list. Or you can purchase it now for somebody. Like I said, Christmas 95 days. So it's coming fast, guys. But I think these are definitely around under $100. But I'm not sure. Just gotta have to take a look at the link. So, but definitely really cool stuff. Great sound, great clarity, and I listen to hip hop, so bass sounded really good, better than those beats. So definitely check them out if you guys need an extra pair. Like I said, for your workout, for your jogging, for whatever you could do. Use it for talk, chat. So, pretty cool stuff. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good night, and see ya.